family, I am back again with another wig show and tell, and today's wig is brought to you by the brand Outre. If you're interested in this wig, I'll be sure to leave a link in the description box of different online beauty supply stores you can purchase from. The wig that I have today is Outre Perfect Hairline 13x4 Lace Frontal Wig in the style Addy, and the color that I have is Jade Blue. Right here is a close-up of the inside cap construction. It comes with a 13x4 frontal parting space. Behind the frontal, there are two combs with another comb in the nape area and adjustable straps. This wig was made on a ventilated cap. They also inserted a adjustable elastic band. As for the lace, it's soft, transparent lace, and the hair texture is silky. This is how the wig comes straight out of the package. With this wig, I would like to do a right side part. After I go in and do my part, I go in next with my Anna's hot comb, and I don't have the temperature setting too high. I believe it's on number 10, and I just press down the hair by the parting space. This just helps the parting space lay in the direction that I parted. So off camera, I went in and customized the hairline a little bit more to my liking. I went in and plucked the hairline and also plucked out some of the baby hairs. When I did my right side part, I made sure that I went in with a deep curve. Now that I'm all done styling the wig, I'm going to go in and cut off the extra lace in the front. And a lot of you guys know I like to use eyebrow scissors or eyebrow razors to cut off the extra lace. So I just pulled the baby hairs back and cut right along the hairline in little zigzag motions. Okay, family, let's get into this wig install. So underneath the wig, I already went ahead and applied some makeup powder, but I only applied it to the spots I'll be showing. So that's the parting space and hairline. Right there in the back is where I hooked my adjustable straps. And underneath the wig, I am going in with a brown stocking cap. After I set the wig in place, I noticed that the lace is still coming off a little too light on my skin. So y'all already know I'm about to whip out the foundation. The foundation that I go in with is NARS foundation. So for those of you that don't know how I do it, I take a small pump of it, smudge some of the product off onto a paper towel and on my brush. Then I wipe the rest of the product on top of the lace hairline. Next up, I'm going to take my olive oil super hose spray and spray one layer of this by my temple going down to the ear tab. Then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer on the warm setting and blow dry it until it's completely dry. I did this on both sides of the wig. The forehead, as y'all can see, is melted, like it's blended right in. There is no need for me to spray the forehead. Plus, with that extra elastic band that they inserted on the inside, it will help keep the wig right in place, and this wig fits nice and snug on my head. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 360 and apply some of this powder to the parting space. This just helped the parting space look a little bit more like scalp. It also helped hide the knots and grids on the lace as well. And I'm going to apply some of it onto the lace on my hairline. Ooh la la, this wig color is so cute. It's like a blueberry color, and I love how the blue have like these midnight blue black tones in there. Outre definitely did their thing creating this color. It is gorgeous. Growing up, styles like this was really popular on wigs, but the fact that they finally created these wigs with like a 13x4 lace frontal parting space, even 13x6 is out there, is amazing. It takes a wig to another level. I love how the wig comes custom cut and custom colored. Like, it looks like a professional did my hair, and it's very beginner friendly and budget friendly. The other color options that Outre have in this wig is gorgeous. It is available in 11 colors. When I was styling the wig, I didn't get any tangling. As for shedding was very low. You guys do not have to go in and pluck the hairline. I just showed you guys what I did for anybody that's curious on how I got my end results. As for that baby hair that I added in the middle on the side, I could have swooped it a little better. Like, it's not bad. It's definitely not bad, but in my opinion, I could have swooped it better. But anyway, I personally love the color. I feel like the color would definitely turn heads. My head circumference is 22 inches and it fits really snug on my head. Not too snug where I feel like I would have a headache. I love how there's still some stretch cap room material left in here. So if you have a larger head, at least up to 23 inches, I do feel like you are in for the clear. If you have a smaller head, I feel like you're in for the clear as well. I would just crisscross the adjustable straps. Man, oh man, I cannot get over the color. When I say I was feeling myself, like I was shocked. When I first got the wig, I was like, why did I pick blue? I should have just played it safe and got a natural black color. But I'm not gonna lie, the blue is hitting, okay? Love it. I honestly love it. Can't go wrong if you're looking for a short wig with a frontal. Love it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Please hit the thumbs up button if this video helped you out or if you would like to support your girl. And I see you guys in my next video. Be safe out there, y'all, because y'all, people is crazy. Like, watch your back, okay? Watch your back. I'll see you guys later.